Hello friends, hope you all are very well. Today is 14th April. We celebrate this day as the birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He is famous as Baba Saheb. He was the first law minister in independent India. He was a great lawyer, writer, historian, and also one of the great political leaders. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar contributed a lot in forming law, orders, and constitution of India. He himself has faced a lot of injustice in his life. His education journey was not much easier than others. Dalits were treated as untouchable. They were facing a lot of discrimination everywhere. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar came ahead and fought for them and got Dalits their equal rights and freedom as others. He was the first Minister of Law and committee chairman who forms the Indian Constitution. Today we will discuss about some important general knowledge questions which are very important for various exam purpose. So let's start. First question. What was the date of birth of Dr. Ambedkar? Answer. 14th April 1891. Next. Name the place of his birth. Answer. Mou Cantonment of Indore, MP, Madhya Pradesh. Next. What is the name of his parents? Answer. Mother Bhimabai, father Ramji Maloji Rajpal. When and where did Dr. Ambedkar go for doing study of barrister? On 11th of November 1917 in London. From where did he begin his practice as a lawyer? Answer. From Bombay High Court. When did Baba Saheb become the member of Simon Commission? Answer. In 1928. Next, between whom and when did the Pune Pact occur? Answer. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Mahatma Gandhi in 1932. Which religion did he adopt? Buddhism. Next, when and where did he adopt the religion? Answer. On 14th of October 1956 at Diksha Bhumi, Nagpur. Which great book did he author? The Buddha and his Dhamma. When did he receive Bharat Ratna? In 1990. In which city PM Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of B.R. Ambedkar International Center? Answer. New Delhi. Where did the Maharaja of Gaikwad sent him for higher studies? Answer: Columbia University. Next, who changed his name from Ambedkar to Ambedkar? Answer: his teacher. Next, where is the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Institute of Technology is situated? Answer: Jalandhar. Next, which was the major subject in which Ambedkar took MA? Answer: Economics. Next, who is called the father of Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. How old was Ambedkar when he got married first? Answer: 15 years. What is the name of the memorial at B.R. Ambedkar's resting place? Chaito Bhumi is the right answer. Which was described as heart and soul of the Constitution of India by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? Right to constitutional remedies. Last question. When did Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar die? Answer: 6th of December 1956. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please press the like button and share my video and subscribe my channel for more informative video. Thank you.